Gavin, thanks so much for taking the time out of your day just to spend a little bit with me as Superintendent at Tulsa Tech, just to learn a little bit more about your program and what you think about Tulsa Tech. And so I'm excited to just relax and get to know you a little bit better, and most importantly, learn about your thoughts of Tulsa Tech. So the first question, I just have a couple questions for you. The first one I have is, why did you choose Tulsa Tech?
I chose Tulsa Tech because I want to get a kickstart into my future career in pediatric heart surgeries.
Oh, wow.
And so I've always been interested in the heart. It's been my whole life. I was born with a heart defect. I had 5 open heart surgeries.
Oh,
and 3 years ago today, I had a heart transplant. And so, like I said, I've always been interested in medical, and Tulsa Tech has been given me the opportunity to kickstart that career.
Wow, I don't think I've ever had an answer like that yet doing these interviews. So this is very personal to you, and you're passionate about it for important reasons. The medical field not only saved your life, but you're here to help save others. So that's really special and meaningful to me, and I know it will be to anyone listening to this video. So thank goodness everything worked out. You look great, you look healthy, so we're glad that you're one of our students, and what an answer to start this interview with. Okay, the next question, what has been your favorite part of your experience at Tulsa Tech?
I think my favorite part is definitely being here at HSC, being part of the medical assistant program. My favorite part is the clinical aspect of it, doing the hands-on stuff, getting that just hands-on experience in the real world. I just think that's my favorite part. It's been a blast, and I've loved it so far.
I've asked that question quite a bit to students, and that's typically the answer. And the hands-on experience, equipment, technology, our instructors that have the real-world experience, I think that's what makes us special and really stands out compared to other educational institutions. So that's good to hear. Why is Tulsa Tech a great fit for you? You've kind of talked about that a little bit with the hands-on experiences, your personal experience, and why you're passionate about it. But is there something else that you can think of that makes Tulsa Tech in particular a great fit for you?
Yes. So I kind of, with all like my past surgeries and stuff, I've kind of had like a learning disability. So I learn best with hands-on.
Okay.
Like watching somebody do it, and then me following them or doing it by myself. I just think that's how I learn best. And so that's definitely helped me at Tulsa Tech, and that's why ultimately I love being here. It just it helps me better with my education and doing the best that I can do.
Oh, that's just another great answer. And we all learn differently, and we all have strengths and weaknesses. So that's something that we all deal with. So I'm happy to hear that Tulsa Tech is the way that we provide education is a good fit for you and a lot of other students as well. What are your plans? We talked about this a little bit earlier, but you're about to graduate, Gavin. You're a senior. I don't think I asked you earlier, though, what high school do you attend?
I attend Metro Christian Academy in Tulsa, Oklahoma.
Okay, that's a great school.
Yes, it is. I love it. Been there since 7th grade. Best few years of my life there. I'm gonna miss it for sure, but
it's a big transition. Graduating. We also talked about that earlier. My daughter did 2 years ago, and it was a little bit scary, jumping out into the real world. But what are your plans after this program? What's your future career plans?
So this fall, I'll be going to Oklahoma Christian University in Edmond, Oklahoma, and I'm gonna major in nursing with the end goal to become a pediatric cardiac surgical assistant. So basically a PA in surgery, and my ultimate goal is probably to work with the hospital, same people that put me to sleep. So it'd be nice to be on that side of things, and just I think it'd be so cool to work with the people that help me. So.
Oh my gosh, you've got some great goals in place. And I mentioned my daughter earlier. She would not be happy if I said this, but she's 2 years older than you, so a little too old. But if she's younger, I'd probably try to set her up with you. Those plans are incredible. So I wish a lot of young people had plans like that in place. As far as your goals, you mentioned, how was Tulsa Tech helping you achieve those goals?
I think just getting that early experience into like the medical field. I think just knowing like terminology, what things mean, what things do, like instruments. I just think getting that extra kickstart of being ahead of a lot of people. So I think that will definitely make it a lot easier for like anybody's future career.
Right.
So.
Great answer. Great answer. Okay, we're getting close, and this has just been a great interview, and I just couldn't be more impressed with you as a student. It makes me happy to be part of a Tulsa Tech, just to have students like you. And thank you for your time. Another question, like I said, we've just got a couple left. Do you have one tip for anyone interested in attending Tulsa Tech?
Yes, I think you should do it. There's so many opportunities and careers that they offer. I will say the biggest thing is step out of your comfort zone, do it. I was hesitant at first, but once I got here, I'm like, I loved it. It's probably one of the best decisions I've ever made. Don't give up on your dreams. Like, continue to work at it, and I think if you ultimately choose to come to Tulsa Tech, I guarantee you will love it.
Be persistent. You know, I heard that a lot in your answer, and we have students many times that are on a waiting list because some of our programs are difficult to get into. But what I've seen, if they apply multiple times or maybe take another program and then go back to the one they were first interested in, that persistency really pays off, and that will pay off in your future goals as well. I mentioned instructors earlier. I know yours a little bit, and she's incredible. Tell us a little bit about the importance of instructors at Tulsa Tech, and really what you think about your instructor. Not to put you on the spot because you still got some time left, but I know she's a good one. But what makes the Tulsa Tech instructors stand out compared to others?
I think what stands out the most is that they've had real life experiences in each career. So they know what they're doing. They're teaching the right material that we need to learn for our future, and I just think that's amazing. But I have Miss Clark. She's amazing.
Right.
She's helped me so much this year. She cares for me a lot, and I'm very thankful to have her. I actually did a HOSA competition.
Yes.
A few weeks ago, and I got first place for speaking skills, and so she was up there, front center, and she did a little video, and she started screaming, and a little funny story. My mom was sending it to her friends, and she was like, "Was that you?" And it's like, "Nope, that's Gavin's teacher. We couldn't be there."
Awesome.
So she's definitely a huge supporter, and I'm very thankful to have her, and she means a lot.
Well, Tulsa Tech is lucky to have her. She is a wonderful instructor, and I know when she listens to this, she'll probably have tears in her eyes because it'll make her so happy. So you've done an incredible job.
Thank you.
I can't thank you enough, and you represent the students at Tulsa Tech, and you're what keeps me going in this position and the rest of us. So I wish you nothing but the best as you move forward. Thank you, Gavin.
Yes, thank you guys.
Thank you, sir.